How to use price alert on IQ option. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily add or use the price alert feature on IQ option. So here's how you do it, super quick and easy. First of all, open the IQ option application on your device. I'm using my laptop in today's video. Once you're inside the IQ option platform, make sure that you are logged into your account as well. Once you're logged in, go ahead and select a trading pair from the top of the screen. I am just going to select this very same trading pair. Once you are done, click on this little bell icon right underneath your trading pair, and then you will be able to create alert on the next page. Go ahead and enter the amount or the price level at which you want to be alerted. Let's just keep it to this right now, and once you do, go to the bottom and select whether you'd like to be alerted once or every time, and once done, click on the done button at the bottom. Now you have successfully created a price alert. Alerts appear as a notification on your platform and optionally on your mobile devices if you are logged in there too. Now you'll be alerted when the specific asset reaches a specific price level that you chose. So there you have it. That is how you can easily enable price alert in IQ option for your favorite trading pair. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.